And the top court will decide today on whether the Unnao rape survivor should be shifted to Delhi. The judges have sought a medical report on the victim's condition and the views of the victim's family to decide whether she should be moved from the Lucknow hospital where she is currently admitted to the All India Institute of Medical Sciences for advanced treatment. Let's go across to Arvind, who's following this story. Arvind, we're now learning that the family says they are satisfied with the medical treatment in Lucknow. She need not be airlifted to Delhi.
Yes, Sarah, the Supreme Court in a very strong order yesterday, they had transferred the trial from Lucknow court to the Delhi Tizazari court. Also, they have also given a time frame for the Central Bureau of Investigation to complete the probe in the accident case within a maximum of 14 days. The court, while passing this order, they also asked the lawyers of the survivor and also the amicus curiae Vigiri to get the views from the family of the survivor and also the lawyer of the survivor who also met with an accident to get their view whether they should be moved from a Lucknow hospital to the AIIMS hospital. So what we are hearing is that the survivor's family is actually satisfied with the treatment that is being provided to her in the Lucknow hospital, and what we are hearing is that their counsel will be submitting to the Supreme Court saying that they are satisfied with the treatment that is being given there, and they don't find it immediately necessary to move the survivor from Lucknow to the AIIMS hospital. And they are also going to submit saying that if at all they find it necessary, they would approach the court with a certain request. Sarah?
All right, and Arvind, we know that late last night, the Lucknow DM and the SSP actually finally, on the court's direction, let's just play out those visuals. The Lucknow District Magistrate and the SSP handed over that check of 25 rupees to the victim's mother late yesterday evening. So the Supreme Court's orders finally, or I should actually put it like the Supreme Court actually having to step in to make the wheels move. But the court does have other issues to decide today, also about that girl's uncle, whether he will be shifted from a jail in UP to the Tihar jail in Delhi. Why exactly is the family's lawyer requesting for that?
Sarah, we all know that in this particular case, the trial is taking a very long time. It is actually an inordinate delay, and the trial has not moved for last 1 year. In the meantime, the survivor and her lawyer also met with an accident. So the main demand of the family is that they should be given adequate security. That's why they wrote a letter to the Chief Justice of India, and Chief Justice of India taking a suo motu cognizance of that. Yesterday he ordered a CRPF protection to the family. Also, another very important demand by the family is that the uncle of the survivor is presently lodged in a Raebareli jail. So they also want a proper protection for his safety inside the jail premises also. So this is why they made this demand to the Supreme Court, saying that that particular uncle of the survivor should also be moved from Raebareli jail to somewhere in Delhi. So that's why Supreme Court has asked the UP Government Council to get the views of the state government, also the jail superintendent, whether adequate security has been provided to this uncle. If at all it is necessary, can he be moved out of Raebareli jail to a Tihar jail in Delhi? So this is what the Supreme Court has asked the UP State Government Council to get the views of the state government and to submit it before the Supreme Court today. So today we can expect the UP government to give their views, and Supreme Court will pass an order on that point also. Sarah.
Thanks, Arvind.